The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i. The shipping was listed at £37. It was packaged with foam on the top and bottom. Came with some paperwork and a basic mouse, and also a power cord. The foam did a great job. Packaged nice and simple. It was easy to pull off. At the bottom of the box there was a basic keyboard, but I don't need that. Or this. The computer was sealed in plastic. Just take that off. Mesh top, mesh front, triple intake fans, exhaust fan in the back, comes with all of these things included, power strip at the bottom. Four screws hold in the glass side panel. These hold the glass panel in place. It came with a dual fan 2080 Super, not a blower, so that's great. Extra M.2 port, GPU bracket, a liquid AIO, 32 GB of RAM at 3200 MHz. The CPU is an i9-10900K. Exhaust fans. The motherboard is a Z490. 1TB M.2 and a 2TB hard drive. A gold 650 watt power supply. Cable management is pretty decent. Here it is plugged in. Yes, it RGBs. And for those people, there's this too. So some performance tests. Here's Valorant. You can easily get over 400 FPS at low to medium settings. The temps are great. Here is GTA 5. The temps perform well, even though this is a more demanding game. And these are my settings for GTA. And these are at high settings. Overall, would I buy this PC? If you can find this PC for a good deal, then it's definitely worth it. For pre-built, I think this is definitely the best choice out there right now. When you compare it to Dell, Alienware, Acer, Asus, MSI, all of their pre-builts, they all have a bad case design, or they have a really bad internal layout. Just trust me on this. If you're not planning on building a PC, or if you're finding this for a better deal than building a PC, then I would just go ahead and get this PC, honestly. Performs great, looks great. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Sheesh.